Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge those buyer's remorse blues and make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones with two contenders ready to battle it out. On the left, we have the TOMZON A23 mini drone, and on the right, the ATTOP drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's talk about the first thing that probably caught your eye: price. TOMZON A23 comes in at a wallet-friendly $39 USD, while the ATTOP drone is sitting pretty at $99 USD. Now, if your pockets are feeling a little light, TOMZON might already be winning your heart. But hey, let's see if ATTOP justifies that extra cash. Next up, ease of use. TOMZON A23 is like that easygoing friend who just wants you to have a good time. With one key takeoff and throw to go, even your grandma could get this thing airborne. And trust me, grandma's not great with tech. On the other hand, ATTOP also boasts one-button takeoff and landing, plus a one-key return feature. So if you're the type who gets lost in your own backyard, ATTOP's got your back. Now let's talk about fun, because what's a drone if it's not fun, right? TOMZON A23 is like the life of the party, doing 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation. It's basically the drone equivalent of that kid who can do backflips at recess. Meanwhile, ATTOP drone brings the tech-savvy fun, featuring 2K wide-angle photography, voice control, and gesture selfies. It's like the drone version of a tech nerd who just learned how to skateboard. All right, moving on to flight time, because nobody likes a party pooper. TOMZON A23 gives you 18 minutes of fun with its two modular batteries. Not bad, right? But ATTOP swoops in with a whopping 20 minutes of flight time. Clearly, ATTOP is the marathon runner in this race, while TOMZON is the sprinter who's ready for a quick nap. Safety first, folks. TOMZON A23 is built like a tank. Well, a mini tank. It's got tough materials and propeller guards to survive. ATTOP, not to be outdone, has emergency stop features and low battery warnings. It's like the drone equivalent of a helicopter parent, always looking out for you. Lastly, let's talk extras. TOMZON A23 lights up like a Christmas tree with its colorful LED lights, making it super visible at night. It's the perfect gift for kids or adults who act like kids. On the flip side, ATTOP comes with a handy carrying case and is foldable, making it perfect for those on-the-go adventures. Plus, it's got that fancy app control for all you tech enthusiasts out there. Based on Amazon reviews, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and fun features, making it a hit among kids and adults alike. However, some reviewers noted that it feels a bit cheap. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone has received mixed reviews, with some users loving its advanced features, but others facing issues with battery life and app functionality. Customer service for ATTOP has been highlighted as a positive aspect, though. So there you have it, folks. Two mini drones, each with their own flair. If you're on a budget and want something easy and fun, TOMZON A23 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for some extra features and longer flight time, the ATTOP drone is calling your name. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buying tip from us. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.